Nobody sponsors this video. Every words are my honest thoughts. Hey, what's up? It's Chenren here. I recently ran out of breadboard since I don't want to disassemble previous projects. I also have suffered enough from the bad quality breadboards, so I started looking for some good breadboards online. This Elegoo Soldier-less breadboard is the first one gets into my mind. It looks pretty in the pictures, and it's not too expensive, but will it be considered as a good quality breadboard? Let's find out. I have to say something about the package. The type of cardboard they use feels very smooth. Give me a premium feeling already. Labels are looking okay, not the best printing quality, but they are clear to see, and most importantly, they are correct. I noticed the sticker at the back is blocking me from accessing the connecting joint, which is a little bit annoying, but also easy to fix. After I cut the clearance, I can mount two breadboards easily. The 10 columns in the middle section have heavy resistance when inserting. The positive and negative bars on the sides are pretty light. None of the holes needed to fight to insert, unlike the bad quality breadboards I bought before. And it also have enough grabbing force, so the components will maintain in good contact, which means good connectivity. I have used this breadboard for 2 weeks. Everything works fine for me so far. It is not the best quality we can buy, and it has some minor drawbacks like not included a back plate. Neither the label print quality isn't the best. The insert resistance might be too strong for someone. However, I'm okay with those drawbacks. Also, considering the reasonable price, I do recommend buying this breadboard.